If no player folds during the flop, then play moves on to round 3, the turn. So at the beginning of the turn, one more community card is placed face up. This is accessible. Both players can use this to make a 5-card poker hand. And then the gameplay is identical to the flop, except that the bet size is doubled to 20. So now the stakes are a little bit higher. Players have to bet 20 to enter the pot. It's no longer 10. It's always double the big blind. In this case, again, the computer will go first. They are first to act because they are not the dealer. The human is the dealer, and they are second to act. Here, the computer checks. The human can also check, which means add no money to the pot, or they can bet. So I've already explained this in the round before, but so the gameplay is the same. The only difference is that the bet size is doubled to 20. One other important note that I have not mentioned yet is that there's a maximum of 4 bet sizes per round. So that means you can only put amount of money up to 4 times the bet size. So in this case of the turn, that is $80. So 4 times 20 is 80. You can still only bet $20 each time it's your turn to play. But if it reaches up to 80, you cannot raise it again to 100. So let's just say, for instance, the computer bets 20, and then the human raises to 40, and then the computer raises to 60, and then the human raises to 80. The computer cannot raise to a 100. There's a limit to the number of raises in a round. So that in this case, it is 4. You cannot bet more than $80, in this case, 4 times the bet size, which is 20, for this round and the next round. Actually, all rounds, it is 4 times the bet size. So pre-flop, that means the limit is $40. On the flop, it's also 40 because the bet size is still 10. On the turn and then the river, it's going to be $80. So just keep that in mind. There is a limit not only to the amount you can bet per turn, but also per round.